If you want to learn how to invest long-term in the stock market, watch this video and stick along till the end so I can show you how I personally invest in the stock market long-term. Okay, so the first step is to create an account with a brokerage. I recommend TD Ameritrade because it's a reliable, brokerage for you to get started. Then what you want to do is research index funds. Index funds are a collection of companies that the stock market has, and they move generally with the market. Okay, then you're going to want to look up which companies pay out dividends. Dividends are small amounts of money that a stock will pay you either quarterly or monthly or semi-annually. All right, so I use an app called Acorns. There's a link in below so you can get a free $5, but this is how it works. Okay, so it sets up your account however you want it, and you can invest in a list of index funds. It sets it all together, and all you have to do is contribute weekly, and your money will grow over time. So check it out.